Are you looking for a treadmill you can use at home? Well, the Urevo Spacewalk E3 is an excellent option. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Urevo Spacewalk E3, explain all of its different features, and demonstrate how it works. Here's the box that the Urevo Spacewalk E3 comes in. It's got the logo on the top right, the name of the machine, and an outline of the unit. The bottom side is blank. On one side of the box, you'll see some of the treadmill specs, such as the product dimension and walking area. The maximum load for this treadmill is 264.5 pounds. The minimum speed is 0.6 miles per hour, maximum speed is 4 miles per hour, and manual incline percentage is 3%. And on another side of the box, you'll see other information, such as the weight. The net weight is the treadmill itself, which weighs in at a little over 45 pounds. And the total package when you're moving it around after delivery is 54 pounds. When we open the box, we'll see the treadmill and some other pieces covered in plastic and styrofoam. In one small package, there are some accessories, including a remote for the treadmill, a battery coin, a tool, and bottles of treadmill belt lubricant. And in another plastic package, we have a power cord and an instruction manual. Then when we remove the foam, we can get access to the treadmill covered in plastic. Once all the plastic is removed, we have a really sleek looking treadmill. It's black with yellow accents and looks really modern and thin. The dimensions for this are less than 5 inches in height, around 21 inches in width, and 50 inches in depth. It has a warning label on it regarding using a grounded outlet, keeping children under the age of 13 and pets away from the treadmill, and to always power off and unplug when the treadmill isn't in use. And beneath the treadmill is an outlet for the power cord, as well as the red power button. And at the bottom and to the sides are the manual inclines that you can pull out to increase the height of the treadmill. Also, there are wheels for transport. Under the power cable, you'll have a few feet to work with. The instruction manual will give you a lot of safety information and directions on how to store and use the device. The remote comes with a lanyard to wrap around your wrist so it doesn't fall. And when you're using the treadmill, you'll always want to have the lanyard around your wrist, so you can pause and adjust the speed of the treadmill as needed. You also get a spare battery, since there's already one in the remote. There are also 2 bottles of lubricant oil and a wrench. And the oil and wrench aren't necessary to get started using the treadmill. They're more for use if an issue arises and you need to make some adjustments to the belt, which is explained in the instruction manual. The remote is magnetic and fits nicely in this rectangular hole on the side. And the buttons on the remote will allow you to stop and start the belt, as well as end the workout. You'll also be able to increase and decrease the speed. And you can choose what you'd like to see on the display, including speed, distance traveled, calories, and steps. And the step counter is pretty impressive too. And again, the speed starts at 0.6 miles per hour and goes up to 4. The treadmill beeps every time you push the button on the remote, but you can turn that off if you want. To get started using the treadmill, first find a place you want to put it. There are wheels on the bottom that allow you to easily move the treadmill around your home. Once you've found a spot, just plug the power cord in and hit the red power button. Step onto the treadmill with the remote in hand and hit start, and adjust the speed as needed. I walked on the treadmill and jogged on it, and it was really comfortable. There are shock absorbers on the belt, so running felt great. And a great thing about the running belt is that it consists of 5 layers. There's a wear resistant layer, a noise reduction layer, a high strength reinforced layer, an EVA shock absorption layer, and a high strength support layer. To set up the inclines, all it takes is pulling the 2 inclines out, which adds a 3% incline. Even though it's really compact, you get the experience of walking and lightly jogging on a treadmill. I can see this as a solid choice for anyone looking for a convenient way to work out at home. The portability of this treadmill allows you to use it in the living room while you watch TV, and can fit under a desk while you work in your office. The slim profile allows it to fit in tight spaces, which is ideal if you're limited on space. It's definitely a better option than a full-scale treadmill at home, which could be obtrusive. The build is sturdy and provides a solid workout experience. I was able to run on it with my running shoes comfortably, and I can imagine you can do a variety of workouts with the ability to adjust the speed and incline. Also, a huge plus with this treadmill is that the setup is very minimal. All you have to do is get the treadmill, remote, and power cord out of the box, and you're ready to work out. And the remote is simple and easy to use. And the treadmill is built for all fitness levels looking to incorporate some walking in their day. Overall, I think the Urevo Spacewalk is a solid choice if you're looking for a reliable, portable treadmill at home. So if you're interested, use my affiliate discount code KV10 in the description link for 10% off. Thanks for watching.